Welcome to today's video, where we explore the fascinating world of generative AI and its game-changing impact on API. In the next 2 minutes, we'll break down the key concepts, share real-world examples, tackle common pain points, and provide you with pro tips. Let's dive right in. Generative AI is all about machines creating content. API, or application programming interfaces, enable software applications to communicate. When these two meet, magic happens. Imagine teaching an AI to create art or generate text. Now, through API, you can seamlessly integrate these AI creations into your apps, websites, or projects. Let's see some real-world examples. First, Adobe's Sensei uses generative AI to enhance photo editing. Next is the most popular OpenAI right now, ChatGPT, which generates human-like text. These services are accessible via API, making complex tasks a breeze. Of course, it's not all rainbows. Common challenges include API limitations, integration complexities, and ethical concerns. But worry not, we've got you covered. Pro tip 1. Choose the right API. Consider factors like ease of integration, documentation quality, and community support. Pro tip 2. Start small. Experiment before fully integrating. Pro tip 3. Monitor performance. Regularly check if your AI-generated content aligns with your goals. Here's a step-by-step guide to integrating generative AI with APIs. Research and choose API. Research available APIs and select one that fits your project's needs. Obtain API key. Sign up for the API, get an API key, and ensure you understand the usage limits. Code integration. Follow the API documentation to integrate it into your code base. Test and refine. Test the integration, assess results, and fine-tune parameters if needed. Scale gradually. Once satisfied, scale up usage gradually to avoid overwhelming your resources. Start by exploring API from reputable providers. Keep learning, experimenting, and pushing boundaries. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, technology is a tool that we shape, and generative AI with API opens doors to innovation. You're just a few lines of code away from creativity beyond imagination. To learn more, check out our website, weburban.com, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with your friend. See you next video.